Hello, my avajzssoulfood foodies. Today what I'm going to make for y'all is my buffalo chicken penne pasta. What you want to start off with is a pound of penne pasta cooked by the box's direction, and then to that you are going to add 1 stick of butter. Let that cook and melt down. Then you want to add 1 block of softened cream cheese. And let's stir that up. Keep the flame on low. Because you got other stuff to add to this, and you want your cheese to melt with no problem. Okay? Then you are going to add to that whipping cream. I'll say about a cup, a little more.